In a city known for its clouds, this is where Seattle keeps summer alive all year long.
You know, I think when you first step through the doors and you get a look at this place, you just realize the scale of it. I mean, we really have built Seattle's indoor beach here.
What do you wish people knew about running an indoor beach?
There's a lot of sweeping. There's a lot of sweeping.
Tell us about your beach.
Yeah, welcome to 4th Avenue Beach. We have 5 indoor beach volleyball courts and 3 pickleball courts. We have been open since June of last year, so we're still pretty new. We do leagues, we do drop-ins, we do private rentals and events. We have pros come in and do some pro training every now and then. And so really we wanted to build a place that, you know, people could come in and play.
When you say play, I see a lot of competition around here, but I also see Baby Beach in the corner.
There is Baby Beach in the corner, yeah. We have a program called Little Diggers, and it's for toddlers to basically come in and get their toes in the sand too and play with some sand toys.
And that perfect sand happens to come from an unlikely place.
We got a lot of samples from all around the country. This sand came from Wisconsin.
How much sand?
We brought in over 2 million pounds of sand to fill this.
The perfect beach, all year round, hiding in plain sight.
Seattle's year-round beach. Where else can you go on a rainy winter day and come and be at the beach?
Is it rainy and windy? I hadn't noticed.
Yeah, exactly. The weather's nice in here, huh?